Hi, my name is Brian Fagan and I'm just going to present to you a quick demo on how we can use Autodesk's Fusion Teams to collaborate with Inventor. And just something to keep in mind that not everybody has to have a seat in Inventor. The people reviewing drawings won't necessarily need Inventor. So we're just going to start off by, we have this 2D drawing that's done in Inventor, and we want to share that out to my colleagues to review it and come back to me with comments. So I'm going to go straight over to my browser. I'm going to sign into Fusion Teams. So this will be the home page on Fusion Teams. So these are all the different projects that I'm involved in at the moment. So what I'm going to do is create a new project. I'm just going to call this Inventor Demo. And you can create, or you can choose an avatar if you like. So create project. And it'll bring me straight into my project here, so Inventor Demo. So if I go back and click on the home screen, I can go back out here to my main screen and in here someplace, Inventor Demo. So again, brings me back into my project. So within here, I can start uploading all my different files, assemblies, parts, drawings, PDFs, Word documents, etc., etc. So everything can be uploaded into this project. Project members is where I go to start inviting my team, who's involved, who do I want to be able to see all the different files. And again, when I click on invite, I can just start putting in people's names or email addresses, and I can have them as an editor or just a viewer. So an editor, they would be able to download the file straight onto their own PC. A viewer would be able to only view from the browser, would not be able to download. So 99% of the time when I'm creating projects, I always have editor, so people can actually go in and download the files onto their own drives, and they can start working on them also. So if I come back out of here, so that's within project members. So you can have as many members as you like inside here, and after you've added them, you can also kick them back out, or they can also leave the project to tidy it up. So if I go back here to content, what I want to do is upload that tank file that we had open a minute ago in Inventor. So I'm going to go upload file, and it's here on my desktop. So I'm just going to open that up, and you can see it's uploading straight into my project here. So we just give this a couple of seconds. So now she's open, I can come in here and click on it. This brings me into this file. And inside here then I can click on view. This is the main screen of the file, so I can come over here and just start commenting straight away in this section, or I can actually click onto this file here and it'll open up, so we can start doing markup and commenting. So this will just take a couple of seconds. And here we are. So again, like your Inventor or AutoCAD or any of the softwares, we can move this around, we can zoom in and we can zoom out, and we can pan. So we have all our navigation features down here. So we have the pan, we have different camera interactions, we have our zoom window, and here is where we do our markup. So if I go click on markup here, we have all different options inside here, from changing the color, the text size, etc. So I often find the callouts probably one of the better ones. So we can do a callout square or circle or cloud. So if we go callout with the circle, I can draw a circle around here, and then we can just stick a comment over here. Something just small like that, and we can save that. So that's the first comment that we've done. We can also comment on point, so we can come up here and click on this, and we can get really accurate. We can stick a comment here, and we can go remove and post that. So that's the second feature done, or second comment done. Inside here also we can draw, so we can come in here and start drawing. So if I want to extend this drawing to come out something like that, we can put a text beside that to say make more like this, and save. And there's a third comment. So you can see we have the two here, we have comment over, or we've call outs, and we have pictures here. So if I go up here to comment, we can see 3, 2, 1. So the very first one, if I click on this, it'll show us what the comment is. The person can come in here and they can say it's complete and that they have changed it and updated it. They can come into the second one. It'll zoom right into this feature here, and again we can comment in here to say complete, and the same on the third one. We can come up here and we can redraw this and also say complete. So this is kind of the whole comments history markup. You can comment as much as you want. When comments are done, we can actually come in here and delete. So we can delete the first comment and it's gone. We can switch off the comments to make the screen a little bigger. Over here then we can come along, and these are all the different milestones, or the different versions. So if we go back out to overview out here and back to Inventor demo. So just to go back over, we have our uploaded file here. You can see it's version 1. In here we can download it straight onto our own local drive. So you can see it's downloading here, and everyone in your project can do that. And here we have upload new version. We can copy, move, delete, or rename. And that's kind of it for the Fusion Teams collaboration with Inventor demo. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach me on b.fagan@procad.ie. Hope this has been helpful and beneficial to yourselves, and enjoy your weekend. Bye now.